The way we consume our media is changing. No longer do we just want to read about what's happening in the aftermarket, but we want to see it and listen to it as well. That's where Auto Repair Focus comes in. We provide the latest news, product stories, new to range pieces, features and expert analysis on the state of the aftermarket through written, podcast and video platforms. We bring you everything that is happening in the industry today as the UK's aftermarket multimedia publication.
If you want to read your aftermarket news, then we've got you covered. The autorepairfocus.com website is a great platform to bring you news, products, features, and more as it happens. No more waiting around for print copy. It also gives you opportunities to access our video and podcast platforms in one easy to see place. We go the extra mile with our stories, bringing you the latest numbers and analysing what is happening to give you an in-depth overview of the current trends in the aftermarket, from top 10s to used car figures to new car figures to product services and more. And if you want to find out what products are being launched, autorepairfocus.com is the place to go. But if you can't check the website every day, the Auto Repair Focus Insight newsletter has you covered. Sign up via the pop-up on the homepage or click sign up to the newsletter on the menu bar and fill in your details to receive the free Insight newsletter every week direct to your email inbox. It brings you everything you need to know about what's going on in the aftermarket and allows you to read it at your convenience. The Insight newsletter also includes our multimedia content, latest podcast episodes and videos. Why not go further and check out the Auto Repair Focus YouTube channel, where you can find our video features covering topics such as potholes, suspension repairs, motorsport sponsorship and more. We understand that you want to consume your media in a different way, and video gives us a great way of doing that by bringing you industry experts directly and finding out their views on the aftermarket. Our short form features give you the information that you would need in bite-sized chunks that are easy to watch in one sitting, while our long form interviews give you expert analysis of current aftermarket trends in an easy to see manner. But we go one step further than that with the Auto Repair Focus podcast. We understand that you want to listen to news as well as read it, and the Auto Repair Focus podcast does that. We bring you the latest news stories and expert analysis by sitting down with key industry players to get their views on what is happening in the aftermarket at present. You can find the Auto Repair Focus podcast on leading podcast platforms including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube Music and Amazon Music.
So however you want to find out about the latest aftermarket products, see what's happening in the news, or get expert analysis about the industry, Auto Repair Focus has a solution. Check us out on the website at autorepairfocus.com. Sign up to the Insight newsletter. Search for us on YouTube. Or get the Auto Repair Focus podcast from all major podcast platforms. However you want to find out what the industry is doing, you can with Auto Repair Focus.